Well, it's a new day, so you know what time it is? It's time for another video. That's what I like to say. I've just removed some wallpaper in a kitchen. Now I'm ready for the next step. Do you know what that is? If you don't, stick around. Here's my self-adhesive webbing tape. It's not really that sticky, but once you cut it, lots of times it has a tendency to fold back there nice and tight, and it's hard to find that. So when you get done with this, just fold this over a couple times. So next time you're ready to use it, you can flip that up like that, cut that off, and away you go. Now this area here, I decided I'm going to put a little piece of self-adhesive webbing tape on here.
Why?
And it's going to stick in there. When I put the quickset on, the quickset's going to bond inside the webbing tape and right down into the nooks and crannies. Okay, so I'm just cutting off a couple little pieces here and pushing it in there. Now where that edge is on that sheetrock corner, I can go ahead and put a little piece there too. You know, right in there like that. That way it's not gonna, if somebody hits this edge, it's not gonna crack out because I've got that little piece there. I might as well put a little bit on there. Notice I'm not getting any sheetrock mud on my hands or anything because I'm using the self-adhesive webbing tape. Then I don't have to put the paper tape on there or anything, okay? I could just do it like that and get a nice little patch going there. It doesn't take long to put your webbing tape up, you know, just fit it in where you think you need it. And the quickset's going to fit right down in there. Remember where that cracked out there? I'm going to put a long piece there. And yeah, that's going to make my patch stick out a little bit further, but I can taper it in. Some people would just put quickset right over this, flush with the existing wall, and not worry about putting the tape. You don't put the tape, more than likely it's going to crack out again. Okay, you don't want that. I want to do one repair one time and one time only. I don't want to have to come back another time or have someone think I didn't do a very good job because it cracked out, you know? Okay?
Not gonna crack out.
It's not gonna crack out. That's right, Daddy-O. It's not gonna crack out because I've got the webbing tape on there. You remember how this side went in a little bit too far, and so they bridged that out with the tape, the paper tape, and it was loose inside. So I cut that out. I've already put some silicone caulking in there from the other day because I knew I was going to be leaving, and that just kind of sealed that because we're on an exterior wall and I don't want the moisture coming in from underneath coming out to the back side of the sheetrock mud through there. Now I could have just ran the quickset, and I was going to pack that in with quickset first, but I'm just going to I decided against that. I could put quickset in there and then put a piece of tape over it and all, but I'm just going to wedge in a piece of webbing tape, and I can kind of push it into that crack a little bit, you know. I don't have to do it a whole lot because the quickset's going to stick and it's going to go through the webbing tape. That's the beauty of the webbing tape. Okay, but I'm kind of cramming it into the corner a little bit, so I don't have to just bridge it straight out. Okay. Get my next piece here, and I'm cutting this just with some little some little tin snips. Now, lots of times I'll take a putty knife. You see me take a putty knife, you can pull it on there and hold it and then rip it off at an angle. That time I went kind of straight, but you know, I'm just doing it with the cutters today. Thought I'd do something different. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of push that in there like that. I need a little bit longer piece here. Just kind of push it in there, fold it over, and I'm ready to put my quickset on there. There. Got another little piece here from about there on down. Just push it on in there, fold it over. Now this self-adhesive tape that I'm using is kind of old. It's not as sticky as I'd like it to be, but it's still gonna hold up in there, and once the quickset gets on there, it's not going to go anywhere. I guess I should continue that up a little bit. If you don't cut enough the first time, that's all right. Just cut another piece and put it up there. And that's all the further I need to go. This is still fine. Okay. Hey, well, that's all I got for today, but I'll be back with more videos.